Hello guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the error Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT Partition Style. So let's take a look at how you can fix this problem. Now this problem occurs when you are trying to reinstall Windows on your computer, as you can see. So what you want to do is to restart the computer, and I'm going to boot into one of these USB CD. I'm going to show you how you can create this USB drive, and you can boot up from the USB drive to fix this problem. So I'm just going to restart the computer now, get out of this, and I'm just going to restart the computer altogether. We're going to put the USB disk into the computer, and press on F8. Press on F8, and in here we're going to choose the USB drive, which is called invitation. That's my USB drive, and I'm going to go down to disk drive. So hard disk drive, HDD, we choose that one, and I'm going to go down and choose this wiping. I'll go down and I choose this PC disk eraser version 5.0. Now you could try other one as well, it's just that this one worked for me, so I'm going to choose that one. And then I'm going to choose default settings 64 runs from RAM. You also got live with default settings 64. I'm going to use this one, that works for me as well. Now just wait for the application load up. Shortly you should have a graphic user interface to work with. Okay, at the end of the video I will show you how you can create this USB boot up disk. Okay, once this has booted up, I'm going to close that, and I'm just going to click on erase disk. And then in erase disk you want to choose erase MBR, erase only MBR and GPT data structures, so choose that one. And in here you want to select the disk that you have a problem with, which is this one here that I'm having a problem with. Then click on OK, then click on yes to continued. Now it said that all data on the select drive will be lost, so make sure this is what you want to do. You will lose all your data on your device, so proceed at your own risk. And that's it. So now it's done. Click on close, and we can restart the computer. So I'm going to click on this menu button and then click on log out, and then click on restart the computer. Now we can remove the USB drive, put in my Windows USB drive. Okay, now I'm going to press on F8. Windows started. Okay, so here I've got Windows, and you can click on that one and then next, and then click on install now. Okay, now I'm going to install Windows only, and I choose that partition, and this time this is where I got stuck previously. So now I'm going to click on next, and now you can see I can proceed to install Windows without having any more problems with that GPT error. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Now I'm going to show you quickly how you can create this USB drive so that you can boot up to fix the problem. Okay, if you go to this website, Automate Boot CDs, you can download the file, ISO file. So here it is. I'm going to scroll down, and here you can see there are some sites that you can download the files. Okay, you also need to download an app called Rufus. Rufus allows you to copy ISO file to USB drives. So download this one. Okay, once you have downloaded Rufus, you can open it. In device, you need to put your USB drive in. So I'm going to choose my device. That's my green USB. and then you select the file, you click on select, and you select the ISO file that you have downloaded. And then in here we're going to choose target system, so we leave it as the default. Partition scheme, you leave it as the default, and then you can also give it a label if you wanted to. And then down here you click on the start button, and then you create that USB drive. Once that USB drive is created, then you can use it on the other faulty computer, and you can put up. Now you will need another computer to do this. Obviously, you need a working computer so that you can download the ISO files as well as your Rufus files, so that you can create that bootable disk or bootable USB drive. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.